Hey everyone who are present here in the hi, good morning to all the participants here. Today we are going to talk on the topic called insurance. Why insurance is required to an individual or a property or a commercial vehicles or companies properties assets buildings roads etc. We will discuss here today. What is insurance actually? The insurance is a group of people formed and decided to help to a person who is going to face problems. For example, A got injured and is unable to pay the medical bills, in which condition the group of people have decided to help the person who is suffering from medical injury expenses. So the process of helping one person by other group of people has decided to form and help him. That is called insurance. And this insurance first started in India in the year 1932, and finally they have decided to float after taking into parliament, and they have passed in the parliament, approved by the parliament, and they have enacted in the Companies Act in the year 1956. So first and foremost company in India was Life Insurance Company Corporation of India. So here we talk why insurance is needed to each and every person. Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receives financial protection against losses from an insurance company. In the sense, the insurance company will come to an help to a person, that is a victim, that means who has suffered or facing a losses due to which he is unable to cope up in his financial activity to become financially healthy. So the company is called insurance company, and for which he should get himself registered with the insurance company. The company doesn't take or invite people who want insurance, but the other way, the company will approach the person whether you require insurance or not, because it is a mandatory or a principle as designed in the insurance policy. So the person, once a insurance agent comes, he will take insurance policy. Actually, who is the insurance agent? The company will appoint certain people who has to interact with the people who needs insurance or doesn't need insurance. He will give complete details about the insurance. Whether the person is interested or not, he will come to know. If he requires, then he will take the insurance, for which he will pay some amount. That amount is called premium. Then the policy will be issued. What is policy? It is a certificate issued by the insurance company. Next, there are certain types of insurances where it is covered. Number one is life insurance. Number two, health insurance. Number three is motor insurance. Number four is home insurance. Number five is travel insurance. Six is commercial insurance. In the beginning, we have discussed insurance will cover and protect not only a person, it will cover and protect life insurance of a person for unforeseen incidents like a death of a person or accident of a person, whatever it may be, to come out of the financial losses. So insurance company will come into protection of that person. Number two, health insurance. When a person suffers or faces health diseases where he will meet medical expenses which will not be borne by him, which will be heavy to meet certain expenses. Suppose a person gets a heart attack, he will definitely get admitted into the hospital where he has to pay large amounts like 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, or 5 lakhs. It depends upon the diseases or expenses where it will not be decided by an individual. In such type of scenario, the person he takes health insurances which will protect him during the heart attack or any chronic diseases where he is unable to meet the medical expenses. As you are aware, today to meet medical expenses has become a very heavy or burdensome to middle class or below middle class people. So hence all have to take health insurance where they are protected directly or indirectly, and they will be protected from financial losses. Number three is motor insurance. What is motor insurance? Motor insurance is an insurance which will cover motor like two-wheeler vehicles, three-wheeler vehicles, four-wheeler, five-wheeler, six-wheeler, 12-wheeler, up to 24-wheeler of the vehicles. There are certain vehicles which will have 24 wheels. They are called trailer, like which will carry that will carry wings of a aeroplane or a fighter plane, because the wing of the plane will be very large, which cannot be carried on the road. So trailers are used to carry such type of vehicles. So motor vehicles will be covered. Those vehicles, if the motor gets or a vehicle gets or meets with an accident, it will be protected from financial loss as well as vehicle loss or damages which incurs. And when it is carrying like a aeroplane wing, the company, that is insurance company, will come into the picture and it will help financially both the vehicle as well as the wing of the aeroplane. They will pay the damaged amount after assessment of the value exactly, which will be decided by the insurance company. And this insurance company will have or appointed, the team is called insurance underwriters. They are called underwriters. These people are professionally experts in their areas like engineers, chartered accountants, doctors, etc. They depend upon the damages suffered by the people or motor vehicle or wing of the aeroplane, whatever it may be, material. They will decide and they will assess what exactly the damage and how much the insurance company has to pay. That will be decided by the underwriters, and they will be paid, and that payment is called, word is called underwriting commission. That is called underwriters commission amount, which will be covered in the premium when a person takes a insurance premium covering motor vehicles. As you are all aware, and most of the people in India are having vehicles, at least a two-wheeler. When you buy a two-wheeler, the person while buying itself, the owner of the vehicle, when they are selling, they will mention that your vehicle is covered under motor vehicle insurance, and the coverage will be carried for a period of 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, or 5 years. Nowadays, we have seen the vehicles are covered up to 5 years, and there are certain vehicles which are not covered under insurance. They are These vehicles are called electrical vehicles. Electrically run vehicles does not require insurance. So motor vehicle insurance will cover only petrol, diesel, etc., other than electrical run vehicles. Number four, home insurance. What is home insurance? Suppose a person with a family is traveling abroad for a period of 6 months. When his home is covered with insurance, every particle, while taking policy, the insurance company will note down. It will notes He will take all the details of the assets, properties, etc. What is there in their home, uh, and on an average approximate value they will take, and they are covered during any untoward incident takes place or burglary takes place at his home during his foreign travel. The insurance company will help them during that period. If it suffers any losses, damages, or theft or burglary, whatever it may be, it is not only for home insurance, it is also covered for ATMs, etc., where there is a valuable items, assets. Okay. Number five, travel insurance. What is travel insurance? Travel insurance is an insurance. It is covered for a traveler. For example, A is traveling from India to France. So for which it will take some time for traveling from India to France. During which period, if anything like untoward incident happens during travel, in the sense flight has taken off from India, it is traveling, it is in the air. Due to untoward incident in the air, the flight got damaged and it has dropped somewhere or wrecked or broken and fallen into the sea where the person got damaged or died. During that period, this travel insurance will help financially to the victim family. Victim in the sense who has died or suffered with the injuries, the family is protected financially. For which during the travel time only, the flight tickets will be issued along with the travel insurance coverage. Always remember, whoever is selling travel tickets, foreign travel tickets, is aware of giving insurance coverage to that person with the coverage of, for example, is traveling for France for a period of 6 months, they will give coverage up to 6 months or more, because if it is given sufficient period, it will be covered to that period. After that, there will be some leverage. Say, for example, 1 week or 10 days. But however, the insured person should extend his validity period from the expiry date to the further period of 6 months to 1 year, whatever it may be. Number six, commercial insurance. What is commercial insurance? Commercial insurance is an insurance which will be covered for industries, factories, plant and machinery, stores, inventory, materials, vehicles of the industrial equipments, etc. All these comes under the category called commercial insurance. Life insurance. Life insurance financial support to policyholders family in the case of a death. If a person dies after taking insurance, then the family will suffer financially where they cannot get on the life during the absence of their family member. So this insurance company will help them by disbursing the amount because he is been covered under the life insurance by natural death only, but not by accident. Then how this family will be protected when an accident happens? Then the policy holder has to take a term policy. The term policy is specifically meant to the policy holder to disburse the amount only when there is an accident and there is a certain procedure. After fulfilling all the procedural needs, then only term insurance policy will be paid to the victim's family. Next, health insurance. Health insurance covers medical expenses incurred during illness or injuries. Example, individual of an health plan, family, floater. Company example is Star Health, Max Bupa, etc. Number four, Motor insurance, which covers damages to vehicles due to accidents, theft, or natural disaster. Example, third-party insurance, comprehensive insurance. What is third-party insurance? Suppose A is driving his vehicle and is going from one place to other place. During this travel, if somebody has hit him and he met with an accident, the company will pay the damages occurred to the vehicle as well as to the person who has got injured by the person who has hit. That is called third party insurance. Comprehensive is it is paid by the insurance company to the person who got or met with an accident. Number five, home insurance protects home and its contents against damage or a theft. Example, fire insurance, theft insurance. The companies are like this. The companies which are issuing policies are Tata, AIG, HDFC, ERGO. Next, travel insurance. Travel insurance is an insurance which covers a risk while traveling, such as trip cancellation, lost luggage, and medical emergencies. Example are domestic and international travel insurance. This insurance is not only covered for abroad travel, that is foreign travel, it is also covered for the domestic travel. If a person is traveling from one state to the other state, this is also covered, which comes under the domestic travel. Domestic in sense, if the person is traveling within India, is called domestic travel. Company example is Reliance, General, and Bajaj Alliance. Next is commercial insurance. Commercial insurance offers protection to businesses from potential losses. Potential losses in the sense heavy losses, which is beyond to bear by the businessman during his operations. Example, property insurance, liability insurance. Company example is issued by the companies are New India Assurance, State Bank of India, General Insurance. These are government companies. Next, common policy benefits. What are the benefits if I take a policy? Are like they are protected financially and they are eligible to get certain tax benefits under certain sections. Next is they will have a peace of mind when they take an insurance policy. Next, if you take policy, it will cover large expenses which will be protected and it will give peace of mind to the victim person. So if he faces any kind of a financial losses, since the insurance company will come into the risk and they will help you financial. So here we understand that insurance plays an important role in an individual's life where everybody should understand what is the role of an insurance company and how it is going to help you and what are the things we have to do it and all we should understand. We should definitely initiate an action against insurance direction. Now if it not, the company will not cover, like if the individual is having certain health health issues like pre-existing conditions in some health policies. For, suppose a policy holder before taking a insurance policy, that is health policy, is suffering certain diseases which are in chronic in nature. Chronic in nature in the sense which is having for a longer period, since 4 years, 5 years, or 10 years, they are covered under the or comes under the category called chronic diseases, which is having for more than 4 years, 5 years. So these diseases are existing before he has taken a policy. So these diseases will be covered and it will be specified by the insurance company clearly in the document that your disease, this policy is issued only to the diseases which are not pre-existing in the nature. it is very clearly mentioned, or it will be mentioned by the insurance company in the document before they issue the policy to the policy or upcoming policy holder. Next, intentional damage. Suppose a person has come to know that insurance company is there to give or protect me from the financial losses. So why I should not go and damage certain vehicles or assets or whatsoever it may be, for which the company, insurance company will not issue or not will not be covered for such type of activities, because they are intentional in the nature. Intentional means wantedly doing certain things. It should happen naturally, then only they will pay. How they will come to know? Because there is a insurance, as I already told, the insurance company will have separate team. They are professional and they are experts to identify the damage or losses, and they will decide whether it is intentional damage or natural damage. They will assess, then only they will disburse the claim amount to the policyholder. Next, if a policy holder is driving the vehicle and with or under the influence of intoxication. Intoxication means if a person is driving after drinking alcohol and he met with an accident, for which the claim will not be settled, because as per the insurance act, a company, a policy holder with intentionally had alcohol and driving, met with an accident and is claiming, for which insurance company will not pay. Definitely. It is there in the insurance clause itself. They will mention very clearly. If a person is under the influence of intoxication, they will not be paid or it will not be settled. Insurance will not be settled. Next, war and nuclear risks. Because war is such a type of thing. It is a country is facing problem with the other country. The country is intentionally want to fight with that country. For such type of losses, insurance company will not come into the risk or help for financial losses or nuclear risk. Somebody is throwing some nuclear bombs and damaging, the insurance company will not come to a helping hand. Definitely. Next, what to do in need? What we have to do finally? Number one, notify the insurance provider immediately. Number two, submit the required documents, whatever it is required. Number three, follow up on claim status. Four, escalate if necessary. If you are unable to do or manage the show, you have to escalate. Means you have to go to the higher authorities. Insurance companies in India. There are 57 insurance companies in India, 24 life insurance companies, 34 general insurance companies. Example, LIC, ICICI, Lombardo, Star Health, HDFC, Ergo. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk or give a small or a little information about insurance company and its role, how it is going to help a common man or a below common man or a rich person during financial losses, damages, natural death, whatever it may be in the nature of activity. Thank you. Bye.